Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to take the square roots of fractions. All right, so first of all, just look at your denominator. Is he perfect? If he is, then you're in good shape because all you have to do is take the square root of 15 and 64, and you can separate it like this, although I usually don't take the time to separate it. And the square root of 15 is square root of 15. There is no perfect number that goes into 15. There's no factor that goes into 15 that's in this perfect square list besides 1, and 1 doesn't change anything. And then the square root of 64, you ask yourself, well, what times itself is 64? That's 8. And as long as there's no radical in the denominator, you're good to go. That would be simplified. All right, so we're looking at this one, and we can separate it to the square root of 81 over the square root of x squared. And keep in mind from the last lesson that we said the square root of x squared, the square cancels the square root out and x is free. So really that square cancels the square root out. So x is free from the radical. And the square root of 81 is 9 because he is perfect and he is simplified. All right, on this one right here, I have a negative. I want to keep that negative on the outside there. I've got the negative square root of 17 over the square root of 100. So 17, there is no number in this perfect square list. There's no perfect square that goes into 17, so he's going to stay up under the radical. And the square root of 100 is 10, because 10 times 10 is 100. There's nothing else to do to that problem. And then on this one, the square root of 4x squared over the square root of 64. Once again, I've got a problem where the square root of 64 is 8. The square root of 4 is 2, and remember the square cancels out the square root, so the x squared, the square root of x squared will become 2x. It will come out. It takes 2 to pull 1 out from under the radical sign. But the 2x over 8 needs to reduce. I can divide this by 2. 2 goes into 2 one time, 2 goes into 8 4 times. I'm left with x over 4.